Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change your OneDrive account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do guys is go to File Explorer, or you can just go to the Start menu and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and then you're going to be right here. Once you're here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, and all of the section. Go ahead and click on OneDrive and then right click on it. Once you right click on it, right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open a new tab, open in a new window. And here you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and here you're going to find OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. Then right here, you're going to find View Online, Settings, and Folder Color. Click on Settings, and then you're going to be here in this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're going to find Sync and Backup, Account, Notifications, and lastly, About. Go ahead and click on Account, and then you're going to be here in this page. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, you can unlink this PC from this account, and here you're going to find the option to add a new account. Go ahead and click on Add an Account, and then just wait for this to load. Then you can just enter your account right here. Starts with your email address, then click on sign in, and then enter your password, and then you're good to go. Once you link your account, go ahead and click on sync and backup. And then right here, you're going to find manage backup. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. Make sure you enable all of these options and then click on save changes. Then go back and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.